whenever I see something online, it's normally people complaining about something, but they never tell their audience a solution. They just complain and then let their audience think whatever it is. They never seem to teach their audience or educate their audience on how to achieve what it is they want to achieve. They just complain, and then the audience gravitate towards that, and the audience just complain as well. So it's like a cycle. When people are like, men should lead. Do men actually know how to lead, or is it just something that they say to make themselves feel better?
Some guys know how to lead, some guys don't. Some guys are pretending.
What do you mean pretending? Pretending as in
They don't know because they've never been taught or they've never seen it in their own life. They don't really understand their role. A lot of guys, including myself, I'll be real, we didn't grow up with no dad. We didn't grow up with no male role model. We freestyled through life. Most of us, and I'll say one thing as well. Most of us black guys, we don't know what it is to be a man until maybe 28, 30, 35.
Why would you say that is?
Because we don't come from homes where we see a man be a man. A lot of us black guys don't understand manhood until we're 28, 30, 35, and even 40, bruv. The reason being because we've never seen a man be a man in the house. So where do we look for manhood? Music videos. Music videos. The whoever is popular on the block.
Wow.
Whatever our favorite athlete says. Oh, LeBron said this. Idiot. He's an athlete. That's all. That is all. He's not a political leader. He's not the second coming of the Messiah. He's an athlete. That's all.
So what is a man to you? What exactly is a man in your eyes? Because I'm confused.
A man is an entity who walks in boldness, assertiveness, and independence.
That's a great way to put it.
A man embodies strength. A man can provide and protect if he chooses to. A man will think with logic and reason before emotion. Not to say he doesn't have emotion, but he will reason with logic before emotion. That's a man. Discipline is a man. Discipline. A man will get up every day to go to work, no matter if it's raining, no matter if he feels sick, no matter whatever. He will do what he has to do. A man is not swayed by, oh, everybody likes this, so I have to like this.
He walks in his own
shoes. And the way I carry myself, females are attracted to that. Duh.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
Oh no, this is what I keep telling guys: get power, bro. I didn't wake up like this, bro.
Very true.
I didn't wake up like this. I didn't jump out the womb like this, bro. This is long time of self-improvement and realization, actualization. That is looking at the actual reality of where I'm at and where do I want to be and how do I get there. Because guess what? For a long time in my life, I was drifting just like everyone else. Drug addict, drug addict as in weed, marijuana, porn addiction, I don't, there's no shame in my game. Porn addiction, I was beating my meat all the time. I was still getting girls, but I was, all of that. I was doing petty crime, selling this, selling that. I'm not going to incriminate myself. I was walking with a weapon, I wanted to be gang, like all of that, bro.
So at what point did you decide that, let me change and let me, become a man?
Do you know what it is? It's not even a thing of it's not a thing in your mind that you think I want to be a man. Basically, I lost a member of my family, and that was the pivotal time in my life that I was just like, raw, like, like something. This is something has to change, like, because up to that point, I had like my neighbors, like, because my next door neighbor's mum used to talk to me and be like, you know, you can't keep going like this, smoking weed, just hanging out, doing this, blah blah blah. Obviously, I wasn't listening to her. My own mum was telling me this. I wasn't listening to her. Do you know what I mean? Like, and then everybody else that was around me was going along with that lifestyle. Do you get what I'm saying? Then it wasn't until like I lost a relative, and then that's when it was just like, wow, like this life is not what I think it is, bruv. You get what I'm saying? Wow. So that's when I was kind of like, I kind of cut myself off from the dumb shit I was doing, cut myself away from certain people I was hanging around. I just had to go into solitude, and then start redirecting into more positive things. And by the Most High's grace, it worked.
Well, yeah, that's admirable. Just respect that.
And that was it. I mean, I'm not perfect. Because at the end of the day, as you know, just like most other black guys that grew up in single parent house, there's certain things that I never picked up, I never learned because I never saw it. So I'm still learning. Power, four or five segments. First one, financial. You can't get away from it because if you're a bum, you don't get respect, and you probably, you know, you're probably not that hardworking. You're probably not using your brain to its full capacity. That's why you're broke. Second one, physical power. If you look like crap, then sorry, people judge you on how you look, whether you're a man or a woman. So if you look like crap, do something about it, or at least try to be the best version of yourself. Dress according to your build. Third one, mental power. A lot of people walking around are stupid and ignorant. I need to read a book. Stop watching music videos and TikTok dancing. And this goes for men and women. Then the fourth one, social power. Learn how to speak to people. A lot of guys don't even know how to articulate themselves. How do you imagine you're going to be able to speak to a girl that you fancy when you can't even articulate yourself properly? You're not sure of what you're saying. You don't have social skills. It ain't going to work. Sorry, you're just not good looking enough to just mumble and the girl just jump in bed with you. I'm sorry, you're not good looking enough to do it, bruv. You're not.
Very true.
And then the last one that I always talk about, which is probably the most important, spiritual power. A lot of people are walking around with demons that they need to face. A lot of people are spiritually unbalanced. A lot of people are walking around with dark clouds hovering over them. And it's not because somebody did some magic spell on them. It's because you are not right within yourself. Internally, you're not right. And guess what? Women will always gravitate to wherever the power is.
It's true.
That's it.